Hey, what's up? My name is Kevin. I'm the helpful hero here to help you leverage the awesome power of HubSpot. In today's video, I want to walk you through a couple cool new features that we've just added to version 74 of the Clean Pro theme. But before we jump into that, I also want to let you know that we are now on X, formerly known as Twitter, and posting a lot more regular updates in terms of what we're working on. We're adding polls for new features that we might add to Clean Pro, as well as sharing a lot of our ongoing journey as we're building this really cool AI assistant for HubSpot and or for people's websites, which looks something like this. You can see an example of it here on my homepage. If you click Need Help, this whole feature right here is essentially AI powered, and we've been working on some really cool features where we can train it, give it prompts, sync it to the CRM. And so I encourage you to play with it as we're continuing to train it on HubSpot CMS, Clean Pro specifically, and working out the kinks. But that is definitely something you should check out. Okay, without further ado, let's jump into the Clean Pro version 74 editions. The first edition here, as you can see, is with the Magic Module. One of the more popular requests that I've gotten is being able to actually add an accordion element to each column in the Magic Module, which is now something that you can do. Woohoo! I'm excited. I'm super excited. I love the Magic Module. It's by far my favorite module, and now it's even better. I'll show you the inner workings of that in just a moment. The other improvement that you can expect is related to the Versacards module, which is still in beta. Thank you if you've provided some feedback on that. I really appreciate it. One of the quick things that we fixed is now in the search, you can search with all capital letters, which should have been there. And then also when these cards are links, they still retain the equal height. So that has been fixed. Last but not least, one of the things that has been ongoing that is now finally fixed is related to the mega menu. And now, as funny as this seems, if you hover over the little down arrow icon, you actually get the mega menu. It's finally fixed. It drove me nuts too. So that is the quick rundown on Clean Pro version 74. If you have any questions or you have any feature requests, definitely drop a comment below, or better yet, just head over onto X and follow us, DM us, drop a feature request, and let us know, what you'd love to see in Clean Pro next. With that, I'm out. Have an awesome week. Later.